Hey everyone, Joran from the Customer Success team here. In this video, I'll be touching on browsing in Shift V8. The built-in browser is one of Shift's most used features, so we want to make sure that you're set up for success, especially with some of the features net new to V8, which includes global bookmarks and the quick switcher tool. In V8, you can access your bookmarks from anywhere within Shift, whether it be an email account or an application. You're no longer restricted to keeping bookmarks within your workspaces. You'll also notice that the center search bar is present at all times, which means you can quickly fire up a Google search at any time. To bookmark a website, simply click the star icon in the search bar. You'll then be prompted to enter a name for the bookmark page. You can choose to edit the URL, as well as choose where in the bookmarks bar you'd like that particular bookmarked page to live, either in a folder or as a standalone page. The drop-down folders that you saw there are a quick view of the Bookmark Manager, which is where, you guessed it, you manage your bookmarks. To access your Bookmark Manager, simply right-click on any of the bookmarks in your bookmarks bar and select Bookmark Manager. You can also control-click on any bookmarked folder to open up that same drop-down. Alternatively, you can access the Bookmark Manager by highlighting the Shift top bar, navigating over to Window, and select Bookmarks. In your Bookmark Manager, you'll see all of your bookmark folders listed on the left. This is where all of the bookmarks and bookmarked folders that you've added will live, with your folders and individual sites listed to the right. To add a new folder or bookmark to your bookmark bar, you simply need to either right-click or control-click anywhere on the white space beneath this list. If you'd like to rearrange the order in which your bookmarks appear in your bookmark bar, you can do so in this view by dragging and dropping as needed. To delete a bookmark, you can right-click or control-click on the folder or bookmark and then select Delete. You can do this from within the Bookmark Manager, as well as from the bookmark bar itself. When you update to V8 from the old version of Shift, V7, your Chrome bookmarks will import automatically. You also have the option to import your bookmarks over from Chrome, whether you're completely new to Shift or simply forgot to while updating from the old version of Shift, V7, to the new version, V8. To start the bookmark import process for Chrome, open up Chrome and type in the URL chrome://bookmarks. Then you'll navigate to the 3 vertical dots in the top right-hand corner. Select Export Bookmarks and save the file to your computer. Then you'll want to open up Shift and open up a new tab. Type in the URL chrome://bookmarks. What you'll do here is click again on the 3 vertical dots in the top right-hand corner, except instead of Export, you're going to select Import Bookmarks. Then select the file that you previously saved to your computer. It'll be in an HTML format. Select Open, and your imported bookmarks will now be in Shift. You can use these steps to import bookmarks from any other browser. It's not just Chrome, as long as the browser that you're importing from supports an export in an HTML format. The Quick Switcher tool is a key part of the Shift browsing experience, as it allows you to quickly toggle back and forth between previously opened web tabs, applications, and email accounts. Located to the left of the search bar, the Quick Switcher tool looks like 2 horizontal arrows facing opposite directions. Clicking on the Quick Switcher will pull up a drop-down list of all your previously opened tools that you've added to Shift. Using your mouse, you can scroll between them and click into each one as desired. These will take you to any of the places that you've had previously opened in Shift. Alternatively, clicking the Control-Tab shortcut will also pull up the Quick Switcher. Holding down Control and clicking Tab will toggle you through your list. It's honestly just a great way to toggle between everything that you've opened in Shift previously. So that's browsing in Shift. If you have any questions, you can reach out to our support team at support.tryshift.com.